welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am heading to the airport right now because I am going to England for a week of antiquing and adventures, and it's going to be so exciting and so fun. I have a pimple smack dab in the middle of my chin, so that's cool. But I'm excited to bring you guys along with me because I think this is going to be such a fun vlog. I can't share every single detail with you, but I'll be sharing what I can, showing you where we are, maybe just not telling you exactly where we are. But it's going to be super exciting. I have a 9-hour flight ahead of me from Houston to London, and then I'm meeting the team there. We're all going with like a huge group, and it's going to be super fun. So I'm excited. Okay, this is day 2 in England. The first day, I think I just kind of slept a lot and we just traveled and got here. But now we are here and we're about to go to Devol Kitchen's showroom, which I love and have followed for years and definitely inspired me for my own kitchen. Just about to grab some coffee. I haven't had coffee in like 36 hours or something like that, and definitely feel it. So I need that. This place is so beautiful and so full of inspiration. Like I said, Devol definitely inspired my kitchen. I saved a lot of their photos whenever I was pinning pictures for my kitchen, and this whole showroom is just full of inspiration. I inserted some clips of some of the stuff. The camera does not do it justice whatsoever. It is gorgeous. Every detail is so thought out. There's some antiquing here, but tomorrow is a big antique fair day and we get first access before anyone else with HOH Antiques, so I'm very excited about that. It's pretty much like first come, first serve, and very dog eat dog, and there's vendors from all over Europe, so I'm hoping to find some cool stuff tomorrow. Some of the things I am looking for are possibly like a vanity, a dresser that I want to make into a vanity for my bathroom. Another thing, I would love to find an actual dresser for my bedroom. I'm looking at chandeliers, I'm looking at French gold mirrors, I'm looking at art. So honestly, I'm just open to a lot of things, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, you guys, what a day. Right after I filmed the last story, I got on the bus and we were making our way to another antique store, and I was posting a few Instagram stories, and it was a super windy, bumpy road, and I looked up from my phone and I was like, I need a bucket. So yeah, a few seconds later I threw up, luckily in a bucket, and everyone was so sweet and understanding, and I felt terrible. But every time I throw up, it's always in public. It's never like in the privacy of my own house. It's always in public. Last time I threw up, it was in a hotel lobby. So yeah, that was fun. And I haven't eaten anything since or barely drank anything since. So I think it's a combination of motion sickness, getting no sleep. I've been awake since 3:30, the windy road, being on my phone, and pregnancy. So the perfect culmination for that disaster to happen. But after that, we went to an amazing antique like center with tons of buildings, and I didn't even get any footage. I was just in heaven. So I ended up finding a ton of art and chairs, stools, so many beautiful, beautiful pieces I'm really excited about. Tomorrow though is the big fair, and I will definitely make sure to get footage of that because it's going to be amazing. Tomorrow's the day that is like the big shopping day, and I'm looking for pieces for, I think I told you already, but bathroom, nursery, bedroom, dresser, lighting, chandeliers, art. I'm looking forward to seeing what I find. It's also supposed to rain tomorrow morning while this happens, so antiques, old wooden things being in the rain is not really a good combination. So hopefully that holds off. Also, this is the view from my hotel room, and wow, I am in awe. It's not even fair that beauty like this exists and I don't live near it. So beautiful. My plan was to just rest for the next like 11 hours because we're starting this fair at like 5 in the morning. And I was gonna order room service, but I don't think this hotel has room service. So I need to find something to eat because I haven't eaten since I threw up everything. So I'm gonna go find something. These are our little trolleys that we're each gonna get, and we put all our small stuff in here and just kind of drag it around with us for the fair.
Jumping jacks.
Here we go. Got all our stuff. Got rain bags because it's raining. We got stuff to protect our precious finds, and a poncho, which I'm about to put on. So I got this piece. It is beautiful and amazing. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I had to have it. It was 380 pounds, which I feel like is a really good deal. I'm excited about this piece. I feel like it would look so good with just art above it, anything. It's just like a perfect console moment. Okay, we're about to pack up this stuff, but I wanted to show you guys what I got before. Got this adorable little vase, 15 pounds. It's a cute little thing where you could put next to a sink, could put soaps on top of it and stuff. I got this beautiful tapestry, which I inserted a clip, or I will insert a clip where you could see it kind of hanging. Got this amazing basket. If I can get a better angle. Can't really tell. And then this stool is like a larger version of this little mini one. So that's my small find so far, but yeah, very exciting. Okay, I'm back with my round 2 haul. First, I got this chair. Look at the shape. Amazing. This is my new vanity mirror where I'm gonna do my makeup. So beautiful, and that was like 40 bucks or something like that. And I have these bowls, bread bowl, this Turkish pot, this stool. Then I have all this art. I have this guy here. I have this lady over here. Then I have this like landscape canvas art. Can't really see. Don't want to hurt the art in front of it. I have this beautiful frame. And then I got this gold mirror from France. I'm so excited. And all this stuff was like so much cheaper than I would normally find it. Seriously, some of the best finds of my life. I'm so excited. Okay, I think this is my last trip. I think I'm done. I'm going back to the hotel after this, but I got this guy. He is very large and beautiful, and then this really cool wicker lampshade. I love them both.
Oh, it's not bad at all. That's actually really good. It has like it's a texture.
Okay, I could not pass this guy up. He is amazing. One of my favorite purchases. I'm obsessed. Okay, we just had several days of amazing antiquing. I think I found some of the best stuff I've ever found in my life, like not only for my house, but for other projects, future projects. And yeah, I found some amazing pieces. I'm gonna have to do like a whole antique haul whenever it comes in because I've never been so excited about pieces that I'm going to put in my home and decorate with. Like, they're just so good. I put in a bunch of clips of my finds because I couldn't just like film on the spot every single time, but yeah, you'll see. So today we are going to Chatsworth House, which is Mr. Darcy's house from Pride and Prejudice, and I'm very excited to see it. It's going to be like a beautiful mansion. I'm sure you've seen it in Pride and Prejudice, but I'm so excited to see it in person. It's gonna be so much just beauty, inspiration. This whole trip has been just gorgeous. Like the English countryside, like behind me, in front of me, everything. Unreal. This is absolutely insane. You guys, we're in the Cotswolds right now, and this is the cutest little village I've ever been to. I need to come back and spend like a significant amount of time here because just look, I have to show you. I feel like the camera doesn't even do it any justice. It's so cute here. I think they said no one's built here since the 1600s. And this is a little town called Castle Coombe. It's so cute. Everything is so beautiful. Just look at these streets. This little area is one of the most photographed areas in the Cotswolds. I can't. It's so pretty. So beautiful. I love all the ivy growing everywhere. There's been so much of this kind of ivy, and we found out it's called Boston ivy. It's super fluffy and thick. I would love this on my house, but structural damages can happen, but this is the dream. I would love to have a house with ivy like this. Just look at that. Hey guys, I am back home now from my trip and it was so good. I feel like I left on kind of a weird note of just showing you some scenery and that was kind of it. So I wanted to end this vlog normally, but I was around a lot of people for a lot of the trip. So I'm still not used to like filming around people and being comfortable in front of the camera. So I feel like I didn't get to do too much talking for my vlog, but it was so good. This trip was literally a dream if you can swing it and go with HOH Antiques. They just take you to all the best places and all the best antiquing spots. For me, that was like the most thrilling part of it because I just love antiques and I've never, ever seen prices that good in my life. Like stuff that I found over there, it would be like triple, quadruple the cost in the States. The hard part is, of course, getting it over here. So on Instagram, a lot of people were asking me like, how are you going to get this stuff over to the States? And the only way I would be able to do it is through HOH Antiques, because they put together these trips and then they have all the logistics in order to get like a shipping container for all the people on the trip, and then they ship it back. It takes like 5 to 7 weeks to get to them in Michigan. And then after that, it's shipped out to like everyone who went on the trip all over the States. So without them, it would be like so hard. I think you'd have to get like a shipper, a driver to go around to different cities and pick up, you know, your different pieces that you buy. It would just be really hard without them. So if you can go with them, definitely go with them, because they like already have everything planned out, the best restaurants, the best hotels, everything. It was so fun. It was hard being pregnant. I will say, when I got there, I immediately was like, I need to get sleep for the baby. So I made the mistake of immediately taking a nap in the middle of the day. And I think that just screwed me over for like 4 days, because after that I slept like 4 hours. Then the next night, I think I slept 4 or 5 hours. And then the next night was fair day and I had like no sleep. And I think after fair day, I slept from like 7:30 p.m. to like midnight, and I stayed awake from midnight until the whole next day. And that was just not fun. And I threw up on a bus full of people too. So that was cool. That was actually my first time I threw up in this pregnancy, which I am grateful for. But overall, it was super fun. I would totally do it again. I would love to bring my husband. I feel like it'd be really fun with like a significant other, if your significant other is into antiquing and stuff like that, or some girlfriends, best friends. That would be really fun too. But yes, I think I'm going to end the vlog here, and I will definitely do an antique haul when everything comes in. It's probably going to be several months because it has to come over here from England. But after that, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you guys all the pieces and where I'm going to put them, how I'm going to style them. That's going to be so, so fun. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.